Hello and welcome to Math Nexus. In this lesson, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of probability and explore the concepts of union and intersection of events. To illustrate these concepts, we'll use a variety of examples and scenarios ranging from flipping coins to rolling dice. By the end of this lesson, you'll have a solid understanding on how to illustrate union and intersection of events using Venn diagrams. So, get ready to expand your understanding of probability and join me on this exciting journey. Now, we will be learning some important terms that we can use in learning intersection and union of events. The first term is sample space. A sample space is the set of all possible outcomes. Next is event. An event is a subset of a sample space. It is also a collection of outcomes. What are examples of experiment? One example of experiment is tossing a coin. What are the sample spaces in tossing a coin? Correct. The sample spaces or the possible results are getting a head or getting a tail. What event is possible in tossing a coin? Correct. Event in tossing a coin is getting a head. Another experiment is rolling a die. How many sample spaces are there in rolling a die? Exactly. There are 6 possible sample spaces in rolling a die. Namely, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. How about an event in rolling a die? Correct. Getting a 3 is an event in rolling a die. What is intersection of events? The intersection of events A and B, written in symbols A intersection B, is the event containing the elements that are both A and B. Notice the symbol for intersection. The clue there is the word both. So these are the elements that are common in both events A and B. Let's have an example. Suppose event A is equals to 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9, and event B is equals to 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11. What are the elements that are common in both A and B? Correct. So the elements that are common in both A and B are 3, 5, and 7. Therefore, A intersection B is equals to 3, 5, and 7. We can illustrate the intersection of the two events by a Venn diagram. So therefore, the two circles are overlapping with the elements 3, 5, and 7. Therefore, the two events are joined.
Let's have another example. Suppose we have event A which has elements 1, 3, 5, and 7, and event B which has elements 2, 4, 6, and 8. Notice that the two events has no common elements. Therefore, A intersection B is a null set. The two events are called disjoint.
Let's have the union of events. What is union of events? The union of events A and B, written in symbols A union B, is the set of all the elements that are in A or in B, or in both A and B. You have there the symbol for union. Let's have an example. Suppose we have event A, which has elements 1, 3, 5, and 7, and event B, which has elements 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if we talk about union of events, these are the events that you will find in A or in B or in both A and B. So you will just combine all the elements. Now, what are the elements that you can find in both A, B, and both A and B? So A union B is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7. Let's try this. What is A intersection B? Correct. A intersection B is 3, 5, and 7. What is A union B? Correct. A union B is 1, 2, 3, 5, and 7. What is A intersection C? Correct. A intersection C is a null set. What is C intersection D? Correct. C intersection D is a null set. Lastly, what is A union C union D? Correct. A union C union D is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
Congratulations! You already know how to illustrate intersection and union of events using Venn diagrams. Thank you for watching.